minute.
Okay. Well, I've got 34 seconds going live. Okay. Hey, Mark, let's do that little 10 seconds to go thing again.
10 seconds to go? We have 10 seconds to go?
Yes, sir.
Is that what we've got?
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4? Yeah, that's it? That's it. Well, now, that took us 10 seconds to do that.
Everybody, we're live. Welcome to today's Haas tip of the day. Thank you for joining us. 34 people were waiting. We jumped up to 50 just now.
Wow.
We've got Mark Terryberry here. April 30th. How's everybody doing?
Wow, you were full of energy this morning, Frank.
Double espressos this
You
morning.
did. You're pumped up.
Here's Andrew Harnett. Andrew's going to be on the YouTube chat.
That's
serving
right.
up some great questions.
Are you going to ask him how he's doing, or are we just going to launch right into
How are you doing today, Mark?
Now I'm wrecked. After you being so excited, I realized I don't have my coffee.
Oh,
I
no.
didn't bring my coffee
I
today.
drank your coffee.
Yeah, so I'm going to be like laying down during this this live tip of the day.
Well, should we start with the question? Because there's I got a bunch of topics to talk about, but Shifter 611 asks, hello from Vancouver Island. Could you cover some of the M codes related to the polar positioning coordinate system when using live tools on a lathe that does not have a Y-axis or C-axis? This is on a C-axis lathe.
Okay, gotcha. And so we've got a C-axis lathe, a live tool lathe right over here, and it's terrific. Really saves some operations, and you can hook up a bar feeder to it and pump them out. So what they're asking about is how do we convert X-Y moves on this lathe into X-C moves? And your software can do that for you. You can spit out the code directly as a rotary and X-axis move, or you can program it kind of like you would on a mill with an X-Y move, and then it'll convert it from XY to XC, that coordinate transformation there. Usually that's not an M code, it's going to be our G112 code, and it's pretty slick. I actually wrote up an entire demo for that in one of my documents in AP100. As far as I want to go right now is to say, oh yeah, it's possible. We have a single G code that will convert your XY code like you ran it on a mill and convert it over to run on a lathe with a live tool, right? Axial milling. And we'll do a tip of the day on that. We'll bring that up, Andrew, and kind of put it towards the top of the list for our lathe videos. We were talking last week that we got so many lathe videos that we'd like to do, and we are actually just about ready to go live with our Haas certification videos on lathe.